Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make jumping cracker. This is what it looks like. It has multiple explosions, but they're fairly quick, so it's within tenths of seconds. So it's really fast explosions. And these are slightly muffled, but they're still really good, which lowers the sound, but it's good. So, right now what I have is this. I have that. And from here I'll show you how. So you're going to take your fuse and you put black powder over. Then it's going to be on sticky duct tape or masking tape or whatever tape you want to use. Then after that you're going to fold that over the black powder. So I'm going to set this down and redo it so I don't have to. Alright, so once you have it like that, you know, like this, you're practically done with what you're gonna do. So hold on. So you have it like that, and just close it. Alright, now after that, you're gonna take this, and you're gonna bend it. So first side like that, second side like that, and right now we're at an S, like that. So you see how the pattern goes here, and then you're gonna go like that, and then you're gonna want to do, I'm just gonna leave it as like this. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then from there what you do is you take your thread I'm using, or a rubber band, or anything you really want to do to tie this, and then just kind of wrap this around. And then after you wrap it around, you know, good amount of times, you're going to want to tie it. Now I'm using black powder inside of here. Inside, as you saw recently, I use black powder a whole lot. Hold on. I'm having a slight issue with this, because the thread's a lot smaller. I usually have the thread a lot bigger, so I have more to work with. But you know, you just have to deal with it. So hold on. Sorry guys. Damn it, I'm having a huge problem. But you guys practically get what I'm saying, you know. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to replace this, but once it's tied, you know, you understand, because this is not working out right. So I'll upload a video to how this explodes later.